Here we have a 2015 65 plate BMW 430d M Sport. Now we have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels in black. We also have LED headlights as well as black kidney girls. We also have full M Sport styling kit, which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear spoiler and rear diffuser. And there's another look, an alloy wheel. Now this model does come with the sunroof that opens fully. We also have black window trim, privacy glass on the rear as well as shark fin antenna. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors, dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. And we have the 430D badging just there. There's a look at that spoiler extension just there. Now it's free from any major marks or scratches and does look absolutely superb from every angle. Now if head on inside the car, we do have the electric power folding mirrors, electric windows, the coat of leather trim, blue, and BMW individual trim just there as well. Jumping inside the car, we have auto lights just down here. We also have multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side, as well as paddle shift on the rear if you want to take the car into manual mode. Foot on the brake, we do have keyless start. Now as you can see, it's free from any warning lights on the dash apart from the fuel lights. There's a quick look at the full Dakota leather front seat and then the rear seats just there with ISO fixed points. We also have storage tray in the centre as well as a pull down leather armrest. We do have sat nav as well as Bluetooth media connectivity just there. We also have radio, which is DAB, phone connectivity, and again sat nav. Put the car into reverse with front and rear parking sensors. Coming off that, we have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus. Coming down here, we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well as 2 heated front seats. So for those cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference. Down here is your driver mode select, as well as traction control on and off with your parking sensors. This is what you use to control every knob on the screen. And then open this up, we have the key, as well as 2 nice size cup holders, and also 12-volt connectivity. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.